Ugirio more than International Day rekusiana mwana Jesu.
Omothe is International Boyfriends Day.
So what are the ladies supposed to do to celebrate?
To treat their boyfriends.
How?
In a nice way.
With money.
If that is nice.
Stacey, does that Stacey enlighten us more about this World Boyfriends Day, because you could be there? Because us, we are past boyfriend stage.
No. Boyfriend is just a word, but you celebrate your mpendwa. Yes. Wakoro wena
mpendwa sasa
mpenzi.
Mpendwa.
Not that mpendwa. Leave that one.
Not the one of the mountain.
Leave that one of mountain of crying. So you come back.
So the ladies are supposed to be the one celebrate.
Yes. Umothe ukagorero kindu kiego guo no na kindu takariganirwo kindu ta thogithi tawareti you know. Yes. Ni muthenya ri wa ku celebrate mundu uria wendete.
Thogithi na
boyfriend that is.
Boyfriend and if you have a husband you can celebrate husband.
Oh, ginya husband.
Yes.
Ni
mundu uria wendete na ngoro yaku yothe.
Mundu muhiriga wa Ibrahim.
Yes.
Ni wega gutheria.
Kamugura thogithi iria cia thate pe ithatu. Agakena mundu ucio.
That boyfriend.
Nemo no yana na thogithi na gacifu.
Na ore.
Na boxer.
Aya ekendeke muririe. We ungienda kuheo kiheo kiriku muthi?
Niyo na to kiheo niyo na ingitwarwo handu. Ndehirwo kabiro na gatari kanene ria. You feel nice.
Okay. Next patient.
You asking what I would like to be bought for?
Yes. On this special day that you guys just remembered.
Not mind.
Hata ndio mambo wangu zawadi.
I would not mind a Prado.
Tuelewe wapi. Budget ni socks.
Ototikore muno thogithi-ini.
Holidays yo they dey kora was supposed to celebrate Modoromeri. No Modoromeri mikaga.
True.
Yes. Father's Day tupeleke out leo ni Father's Day.
Hata leo bado afu mpeleke out leo ni boyfriend's day.
Sasa sikia.
Sini date yenu nyinyi wawili.
Na si chukua ulikuwa unajua as a girlfriend.
But we are supposed to be treated.
Because of the girlfriend, they have made you a boyfriend. So, you should take them for a date.
Sasa watu ya mathematics. Sasa hapo ni kufinyilio.
Hapana. You know, ndogetwa boyfriend utari na girlfriend.
Nima.
So we ukoya girlfriend yaku, ukamutwara date. Ni undu ni agutwire boyfriend.
And then when you go for the date, alafu
unaona we ni wamutwara date, ukamutwara date kundu ta glee uguo, kana kari serve packs, you know, ugathie.
Smana.
Yes. So date yaku unaona neyo. Afu agakuhe thogithi na wareti.
Neu wale ya kuliha ngiri 15 yaku ya surprise. Todo thogithi cia paini.
Akamuda nko soksi thatu.
A boxer iria ciko tuwire kagiti.
Na vest.
Ahendi tinda thani.
Vest tinda jone mare tora nasi. Mwezi jaga tu siku moja unanunulia mtu 3-piece suit ya designer ya kitu 40k.
Come again.
Hapo umesikia? Hapo hujasikia? Ama boyfriend yako ujijazie useme hii mwezi namlipia rent.
But squeeze at least mnabaiwa watches, si ndio? Sasa paka kare kakoragwo na watch, na pen, na notebook, na tie, na bow tie. Eni.
Kau ni kega, kau ni ngire tiko thogithi. Kau ni kega.
Simon Kafunya hau ne keiye. Kimeibio.
Naona okay, katika kuga fasi ya Bible to ndio kane ya Bible.
You get to we will place.
No hare hauga gatere. It is because of you that I am. So it's because of the girls that you are a boyfriend.
So then in that case we are celebrating ourselves.
Yes.
Like we have always done.
No, if you were single, you couldn't celebrate. Dore na reason ya ku celebrate.
Kaiwa mundu mene athi andu akauga ecokerie ngatho.
Ngahurire karo.
Tondu wa Ngai na riua.
No mukibange date. Mtware wapendwa date.
To all those who have boyfriends, please makinikeni leo.
Nam.
Tumewajulisha na tigo tuku.
And you don't even have to do much.
Yes.
No, makia thukuma na mahu.
Wale tukando mukona candlelit dinner.
Kana tu go kaweke geshiga hua gabe
moko hea.
Kana yekirete na iro.
No.
No bado no tumutware date mungikora mwe andu ega ri no tumutwarage date.
Oguo niguo ni kwagira tutakorwo turi ega.
Kwagira mutagagira.
Phyllis Maina ruga hapo kwa suti as in
Pesa maskari.
Sasa maboyfi mjue leo mnatritiwa. Wale mko boyfriend stage. Mademu wenyu wanawapanga kila mtu tenga 10 leo. Kapa 10 hapo. Kapa kio. 10k.
Okay.
Kwa hivyo boyfriend ya Stacy wherever you are you ready to be bombarded with 20k?
Are you ready?
Akisha alipo kule kwa Ari Silva. Anakuletea yote.
Mkanje.
Yes.
Yoro mwego osio.
Na wageke no.
Na wageke no. Sokia gatho. Atokanyia.
Now you know.
Yes.
Muthenya wake mabũrũri wa gũkũngũĩra boyfriends.
Yes. Sigoro ningĩ ũngĩarĩrĩrio nĩ Security Council.
Acha UN ndĩngĩikarĩra thĩ ũhoro ta ũcio. Marauga is informal.
San official.
Mũteru wa Luna arauga atĩrĩ. Ona barosi igĩrĩ tu.
Mũbarothi.
Jathio igĩrĩ ona mũndũ ndakianjithio nderu.
Njithio nderu.
Arauga atĩ arũme nĩ mathiaga na rimu nginya ũkona mũndũ arĩonaga kobia ga chap chap.
Maendeleo chap chap.
Urre. This tu raifu. Raifu? Ndio mwana kofia.
Mera ina kofia ya buru.
Ina nasa. Inawateka. Nimwambia ni mpiai. Ni mpiai. Hii na ivatu mwezi mbwegeje alafu niweke chini. Sawa. Wamecheki? Unadute. Todo matomakire rungu.
Ana kuingira chemba.
Unero mete. Ndio haya na ile rogo na chemba ya Stacy tukaingira. Chemba ya Stacy tukaingira.
Aliye mama chemba matokore tione gathuki.
No taveto chokithio.
Na kiheju
Beta.
na gatonye wa ngathĩti
Beta.
nĩ inyuĩ mũragũra mũirĩtu na manica horio
Raure. Governor Irungu Kang'Ata.
Governor wa Murang'a
021. Yes. Governor wa Rugongo. Yes. Na governor wa mbere mundu muiru kundu ku ari o.
Ari wa mwitha.
Riu wake ari mundu muiru ri. Ndigo cia no endeta. that reference. Yes. Na Irungu Kang'Ata. Hivi majuzi nafikiria ni wiki iliyopita nilale Korea People's Republic of
China.
Yes.
Ni last week yarare China.
Ndio. Na turamwona handu na ma drunken master. Yes. Makimoda.
Ndora hagirire munyonyo China.
Yes. Maramu ikaria thi. Gwĩcia maramu kerurira. You Kang'Ata. Yes. You like take what drink. I am bling.
Yes.
I am someone of reggae. Bring it. We bring you hot. Or you like spicy or not spicy? You card. Yes.
Moto sana.
Video ko katika tuendete muno kunedi cio kinyaneria. Na gwezia makema maikero na bakuri. Todo bise waroro na gavana witu. Anegerio kabakuri. He said chicken.
Kamyugia goko.
Then suddenly he becomes a drunken master. Bolo Yang.
Kapaga karate.
Kapaga hiya. Tu wa ye dao hua. Hi da ye dao hua ya tu. Hu dao mu lang ah. No, it was quite exciting. You know Kang'Ata again is a person. That story. Yes. Of course, nyaki na delegation. Na he MC marai na ke mukuri neta gwatia.
Etago wa mweno wa kuria ngararia.
Yes. Marai na ke ko. The Chinese. No me kuria. Ha. Yo moranga wati yo gro. Yo gro wata moranga.
Afakando.
Ikondo.
Yes. And Guta.
And Mbu. You know? Makanda niya. Ha! Fela Guta. Oh, this one, you come with her. This one, Kalango.
No, that one is of singing.
That one is of Muguwa Bara. This one is
elected.
Honalambu. I thought I hear people say hasn't don't.
Even that one is of singing.
So one now we invite us to come Muranga. No, you are welcome.
Anytime
Muranga is open for you. You come. Maraki delegation ya governor. What we see when we come Muranga? What we see? Very first of all, historically smallest roundabout.
Is Mulanga.
Yes, his size of Damos. The cover of Damos.
And before you get there,
yes,
we all meet at Keno.
Yes, yeah. And even if when I was coming here, we met at Keno. Where? Keno, where? No, it is always our starting point. It is our point zero.
When we meet Keno,
yes, then from there we dispatch. So we don't have Keno here, China, no Keno. You come to Mulanga, we take you Mukulu wa Nyagadanga. You see our origin. You say, the Buddha, Chairman Mao's at home. No, ours is Kimavi. I asked who they call idea. No, his former.
That one left.
If he was here, you would see me, Nyonyo. Ai ya uri.
Dauga thiki yo. Na shaino sho. Meguka kundu guku make daraja. Mahoithie turi matuothe ma Ngai.
Ndio ndio gavana mijoko rimwe.
Vaga karate.
Yo hey. Takeruro tere ya Kinyambi 1960.
Ndresio nake ni are makeire.
Yes. Ndio ya hawathi ati. Hawathi ati to ndinamenya uri hathi.
Na niona hivyo no aba utu haura kidogo.
Ukawaga ni kaheu.
Lucia wa governor is towering.
He's very tall.
Na saina na otiara ihu.
Acio na ikarite thiri ni maraigana ine. Aikarite thiri akayo jungwa. Ayo this one you take one sitting. Koru wana igwa rugamite ni guthia ngirathire. Angirokire maguru. Gare Irungu re. Hayata. It's working. When you do that, it means it's working. You want another? Give Mokolino.
But this one, when you come there,
yes,
don't call.
Don't call it because we have hours of hand. Na moko. Ata moko lino. We give moko. No.
No.
That one because of education.
Sole. Shash.
Shall not partake.
He is not allowed.
It's not. You see, that one they have is sisiboric.
Saina naguo ndio kihariria uke. Uke rugongo tukore.
Moke. Okay, matoko ndio tumaringe itu. No, itu twara mundu kahora.
Ere on instant.
Yes. Bakiana moge. Ha! What happened?
It's Latina. It takes toll after.
Oh, Molanga, people want to kill us.
Moke na gude.
Moke. Yes. JKA iko wima.
Iko imara.
Imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija.
Na tumesija. Leure. Isi rugongori uhoro wegi ageni ri nduri wacoka thikana ugacuhia
mundu anetwo mugeni ri mugeni ni mundu ukoragwo hetwo gitio na kuetwo no ritu
usila jire Nairobi ri cloud ya ageni ni yaguire kidogo tondu kwe mundu ukaga you will not even see anyone else gather tondu moy mundu ucio ni good ke
good nyomo
onando ni mahetuka ata there is a vehicle they see bakamanya ya never tell wako ana no maritwa manene no ya mundu ukaga you will not need to be told Stacy Erugogo yes
ukamenya ucio ni muzito
yes na ni wigua kuso no wota Stacy mo kama munetie re video ine save it ciothe
katari nyengo iroragira
na niye ndiko maite kijatia
ndamuonete
No, rugongo horo wa ageni ri. Urio kuona ni wega.
Yes, it's a good thing.
Absolutely.
He mugeni ono utuma mundu acenjie course.
Wega.
Kana atire kuria guthia.
Absolutely. Kindu gitatiragirwo ni undu wa mugeni rugongo. Ni gikundi.
Utiga wakumbũrwo gĩkombe kĩa ndubia
gĩkundi wĩragwo atĩrĩrĩ thigaga ngwacĩ icio gĩkauga ũrĩa igĩrĩ rĩ
nĩ ngũkorwo ndoka
ndigatocwo kũndũ kũrĩkũ
gĩkundi
gĩkundi rĩ nĩ table banking gĩkundi wonaga tataguo without any explanation or apology aingĩra mbabu mũkona eka atĩa
acomoka
yes kaiguaga Wanjikũ nĩwe wĩna ageni acio kĩandengereko wa mangĩ gĩkundi
njoke
ndĩmahenie kĩ maitho and true to the one agoka kana nĩ mwako ekũnia kuma thaa maya
meri na kĩndũ
ũkaũra thimũ tĩrĩ matha gũthi twenda gũthi aca njetererai
nĩ kĩmwe na ithe mũtiĩ na ngari
kamũrakuana na vivi ndege nĩ mathabu tũreka ũmũthĩ nĩguo gĩkũgomanaga kũragomana nĩ kũrĩ mathabu maingĩ andũ nĩ maunagĩrwo kĩ reke tũrĩkie njetererai hau
kana ngo mũrathi na cia bara kamwĩra atĩrĩrĩ ngari rĩu nĩ kwagĩire cia hwaĩ-inĩ
ya wabiji nĩ tũkithagia ĩyo no ĩrĩthiĩ Nairobi na ĩcokera ara gũkũ kana ũkerwo atĩrĩrĩ kwĩ ngari ĩraraga Nairobi no mwakerĩka
mwakerĩũka
ũgeni yes ona kwĩra functions cia kanitharĩ andũ nĩ mamenyaga ageni yes ona program rĩmwe ikineanwo rĩ he andũ wĩragwo we nĩ ũramenya ũrĩa kũrathiĩ ĩtinyi mwacabithirie
wĩ wa gũkũ mũno
we wĩ wa gũkũ
kũdimandi kũheo program
wenda gũthoma rũgano rũu na nĩ ũmũĩ mũtiatemwo rĩmwe wenda gũthoma ũrĩa ũĩ we nĩ ũbatiĩ gũkorwo kĩraya rũgano rũu kĩrehe nyone tũbica Ketwambe tune ageni. Yes. Oika ukaigua. Ndeithi nyone hanini. No ngeyoma yo program yo ya Gathaiya.
Ne athi.
Odoro go dimedete program. Especially the elderly.
Yes.
And they keep them. Yes. Ai ndio kune morio.
Kau ni urikirie nako.
Ndone jwe no murite andu a Nairobi ri.
Ni ukaha.
Ni nituigaga. And sometimes muranagia ciuria hau muko inga ni akwa riri ametererai athi ndiro igaka kalata mukora program wena font ya tena ya naite tu na zicu akwa niwe ari mathiko ma mbere guku gucabirwo maratabi
gutia ringi
mbere ututieka atia ni mo maya ndona kwa leo tadi kisigana kwa naite tu tutanathura moi Mogeni Mogeni umete ati the major cities tata wa Naikuru Bungoma Nairobi Mombasa Oyo ti wa Gikoi
aca
ucio
ti wa kuringa njũĩ
ti wa merere na ukiru ageni aria kuma na mugunda aje matigira ngeti wona mundu acomoka
mugunda
ne mwarekereria tuto ucio muno
no ucio wariria mbembe-inĩ
ai ne mugambo taramenya
ikare wa magiri
ne mubatie murore hau mugunda ucio ni ukura na mwene guo riri ari guku ni ari bata naguo na he muthongori mandona hau ndiye kana wa gitarara ni mubatie murore
turambire guthie mere turari marira rero na tuokaira
ni hakiroro tutikarirwo mburi ni gukirwo
ucio ni mugeni wa kuma na mugunda
ucio ri no akuimbiriria receiving delegation ari mone mari ya story hau ukaigua ri atiriri wa seirore thambari kadra kirora tha reke ngamenyue njuki
tondu kipo ni ahuru riu ageni na magutanyagwo ni makinya kambe ya hao
kana ni mahituka keno Kaugua hey kandirarora tha reke nigukorwo ndethamba makiuga makinye no kiiyue nawe ndũroraga tha
ucio nake ndagera bara
ucio is part of the ushering
delegation
atengera hua mukonoka yakinyu nimayirira rwimbo aya ya kejuke tubaure ndio kiita sande best ya mafiriri
na rafore mutune
yes enugatha muni wa kasoni Adurina matioka muciini asairing delegation maikara hau harathenjirwo marigo-ini acũthagio hau mundu nu kabara yathondekio tondu mwahiũha o rĩu mwatwĩra muma camba
kamwagera ĩrĩkũ
mwagera ngũrũwe-inĩ
ngari nĩ ciahiũhire
kare muthe ũyũ ndiagũtigĩte naguo mũtoka nĩ mũthemba ũ
aca ĩno ĩtagwo CX5
nĩ Mitsubishi
aca nĩ Mazda
he mwĩrĩga ũngĩ ũtondonio wari noti ageni nĩ mathathagĩrwo yes ũngĩona kwanja mũgeni ũrabiekerwo nyeki na gatemererwo tũcĩra-rĩ ũcio nĩ wa bata
ũcio nĩ mũgeni wa bata
mũgeni ũrarengithia nyeki atĩ mũtinangie nyeki na mũthi mũkĩroraga kũu kana kwĩ mĩcumarĩ ĩngĩtheca ngari
na njehatwo
wĩ mũndũ ũkaga with good tidings yes
nĩ ũkuĩtwo na ũritũ
ĩkora thaka ũkĩrĩ mũgeni ũhũraga riboti nĩ aroka akaharũrũkithia thumu ũtarĩ mũhĩu ndũkamũnungĩrĩre
kana muci ucio gugathĩnjwo nyamũ
bata mũcinga yes kana mbũri yes
kana njogoyo
yes
thaa itũre gathĩnjwo
njogoyo ya manyaga mathĩnja aramu yao and it's still a big deal, especially if you're in good books with the host.
Yes. Nawe nuraguka na kaundu.
And it's not even about guka na kaundu. Like andu acio ni ukua maundu mao no ritu. Yes. Ni ukire uguo getia maratathi ma mwana omwe kamukura rugongo. Yes. You are welcome. No getirwo delegation. Yes.
Ye mugeni ukaga no nginya tirwo delegation ona ya kumuikaria keep company
mundu okaga irio ro uguo casual mukire okuo
wega
ndau ahitukire ndui ni njuka handi na ihenya umuthi ndau anjeke atia ndikire oru na mundu guka rucio ri ni my brother salago ukatha cigana
maraugĩte ta kuma thitai
nyina wa mangi ena ũhoro ũcio wa mangi ũtindaga nyũmba weka wĩ muto
nĩ ndũĩ
ndũraigua gũkĩario nĩ rwario rũtarĩ rwa gũkũ twakorwo neo ndeto icio nĩndahota kũriganĩrwo no taguo ndakĩigua ta Sarago nĩ aroka na maroka na bamĩrĩ na arata weana nĩ maraugie oke amuonie mũciĩ Sarago wa ciake tũtiaragia tũgokĩra tene
itiaragio
cia Sarago tũtiaragia gũiyeia wakwa siasara gure ndakaratia kamori ke hau. But the people when they visit, you don't go advertising, you don't go doing mentions
and putting up billboards.
No. Because you know it is an exercise in futility. No one gives a hoot. He's an inconsequential visitor. Yes, with zero impact to society. Yes.
Mugeni ni wa maana.
Yes. Wana kungeta iya ndo ni undu wa bata mutorithio nirika atia. Ere mena na girwo. Yes. We konyo ngeta iya ndo muga no andu arugongo no. They lay it bare. They have no chill. Anothio kero he mundu guku tatiraga ri ni muru wa nyukwa wetu akuona tu amaka.
They don't miss words.
Masaria wanyu ri gutithia chumia icio
igire atahitukiire haha
ona tutari kuo tukora ne uma kundu guku na gatiga ki
report
we ni wateire andu uri gwa kameme tukigua tukamenya uri o muoyo no hakura ni wakiura riu kundu guku kuria ki ugikaigua kiuria ki ukamenya they are not in the mood.
They are not about to do much.
Yes. A celebrated visitor, they don't ask each other around. Yes. They figure it out.
They go kukuria ki
they go kore okuharerio ki kwendu viako Karero nduvia na jagi ya flash.
Etare juge.
Na ndukune sukari wikire. Sukari ukawithio jagi ne giciko igire ugatherekerio. Guku sukari ugite goro.
Na Nairobi ukinyetie ki.
Guku nduragurika. Turauthi matanda. They are just telling you you are a pest. No ekaigwo kiu you see mugeni mutanye na mugeni ukaga kunyetia andu na mundu wifata na andu ri eragwo atiriri ui mutikirare no ri wigiragwo no kamurarara
They are not expecting you.
No. They don't want you to. They want you to be on your way. There is always that an apologetic auntie akwira yohetagia muno na tibia waga. Odoka kwenyina arugamite. Ugakenyo kwa munini. Uroka kumugeithia ngeithi ni ucuru. Ni ugoka wibangite muruanyu kwa nawe no thukumaga nyingi ithio andu rugameia andu magana meri uria na ni mwandiku ori wona okatia ni akirio kugia
okereria ruku
kaina ciana ciaku uko ciuga esa indo nduri urasa masukari ni uri ugukite nagu Oko ciana ciaku nyua ngoyo ni ukamenya ugabanga ti ukae guthini andu rugongo
takenda na 55
no ngamugukirara. There's a difference between that and rara itu andu aguthina nduma
no ngamugukirara
kwa jero mwena rataguo ni mukurara
Jumatatu nginya gatano kwegagara shamania na board che Gathaiya Dance
karibu sana twegagare
na section Ngoni Wathoita
leo ure
thini wa kwegagara
mapenzi engineer moro fatana wa vivugo igere uge Raila tinga wonya lego
makamenya ndaci irio
wagweta Raila uno waigira rwimbo oi Gathaiya Dennis mano kuyu mutu ya kameme ameitisa Guinness Mill
Cenjia kinyuo.
Ainia othe manyua ageni. You have the one called I am not sober. Inspector Otieno. Koto kasi ayai. Amenunua. Guinness sita. Kogine dhinene anyui. Yes. Niyo. That one. Sasa hiyo ndio wimbo ya Sere. Limpopo. Wetugo bwana. Yes. Watu naiteza whiskey. No wigu ari. Ni meaka ya mata wa iguru. Au atiri. Tumekuja kukunywa ile exo yetu. Mundu asijaribu kucheza na kitu ambaye si VSOP. Niwe kwanirira. Mulete kutoka VSOP kuenda juu itagoka. Leta Gilbis. Mulete hiyo.
Na gwetia kwa kwanirira. Na gwetia kuria kuo.
There is the declaration. There is the actual. Sisi tunataka tukule ma wet fries. Yes. Silete hapa kitu ambaye si kuku. Yes. Hata mutura ya 20. Na ukuja kama umeweka kwa karatasi. Siye kuanika.
Tangazie watu.
No, everyone there is a millionaire. I have a friend called Ouma Buga. Ouma Buga twathi nake kuu kwao ri. Ani introducer Garigo niene nieu.
Nikugemia.
Garigo no. Is that me? Well, as you have seen, I'm here with my friend. It's not your average mass media practitioner. This is the person Ruto calls. He does not call Ruto. Ruto calls him. Hata sasa hivi alikuwa ametoka nje na ndio tuko na yeye kama alikuwa anaongea na Ruto. And you see, he's right there. You cannot say uongo. Vile mnamuona hivi is a connected person. Actually, the committee of eminent persons, he is a consultant. Anaisi tu hapo karibu na ni state au sama uliama. Amuna ni loilo. Alright, they can Bosco Mabuga. You know, even his relatives think I am a beluga billionaire.
Ni ule akugemagiria.
Nenu yakugemia guo nawe na urecoka mondo. Urugame nake na retwa
uru ni muthie nake harambe.
Usually he drives around in a Bugatti, lakini si mnaona barabara yetu. Sasa akasema akuje na hii double cabin because of the state of our roads. So basically someone is a flying okuyu. But they should go to their they have vibe.
Kwao weka ine nigikuyu kiria kibesa.
Actually makeje siria kuure. Maje siria twina mutahi wa kagwe. Rija kururia na ne birthday yake omuthi. Sini leo Stacy. Mheshimiwa kururia.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday mhesh. Leo maje siria gyoguo na icho ngwa. Yes.
Kumbe.
This is the one who actually bails out Moses Kuria whenever he goes into trouble.
No, gakururia.
Oh yes.
Thank you.